Hey guys, what's going on? Back to you again, another video. I know I've been MIA for a while, and I apologize for that. I just had a lot going on. But anyways, decided to do an unboxing for you guys. I haven't done one in so long, I honestly can't even remember when was the last time I did it. But today's unboxing is on a new release Blu-ray that came out recently. Little Monsters, classic movie, one of my all-time favorites. I have a review of this on the channel. If you're interested to watch it, it's on there. And yeah, so this is its first time being on Blu-ray. This movie's 31 years old and it finally got a Blu-ray release. I've been wanting the movie on Blu-ray for quite a while, and I do have the out-of-print DVD from MGM and stuff like that. I got it pre-owned a couple of years back. It's in fairly new condition. Not a scratch on it, so that's good enough for me. Um, and yeah, I like this cover art. It's really nice, and it's the Blu-ray and digital. It's from the collector series. This is number 19 because it says 19 there on the spine, so I believe that's number 19 of this series. But yeah, here's the front, and here's the spine, and here's the back. Different cover art for the front and back and the spine. Um, but yeah, it's just awesome to finally have this on Blu-ray. So I'm gonna open up real quick, and yeah, and I will show you guys the inside of it as well. And here's the disc. And here's the digital copy. I'm not going to show it to you because for obvious reasons, but if you want this, you can comment down below or email me at devint.russell@gmail.com. All lowercase letters, by the way, just in case if you want it. Just hit me up at any time and let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and we'll take it from there. So yeah, and also I'm going to be doing a review of this in a little while. I'm just gonna pop it in and watch it, and I will check in with you guys after I finish watching it, and I'll let you know what I thought of it and how the picture quality is and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm back, and I just finished watching Little Monsters on Blu-ray, and I am really happy that I got this. It looks great on HD. If you watch it on Netflix, it's going to be like about the same picture quality. Um, of the Netflix version is pretty much, it seems like they transferred that and they just put it on the Blu-ray, which is pretty neat. I actually was surprised, because like a lot of Blu-rays, these days, like it'll make it look like it was shot, from today's standards and stuff like that. But surprisingly, it was just like the Netflix version I saw, and that looked good too. So yeah, it just a very neat looking Blu-ray, and just the regular DVD was not really that exciting for special features. All you got was the trailer, but on this one you get a hell of a lot more audio commentary, interviews, behind the scenes footage, which is really cool, trailer, and all other kind of stuff. It tells you right there. You can pause and read that if you want. Hopefully you guys can see that. And yeah, really happy that I got this. You can get it for pretty cheap. It's not that expensive. But yeah, definitely recommend picking this up. And if you like, you like family coming of age comedies, and this is a good one to watch, especially around Halloween. This isn't really like a Halloween type movie, but it's a good one to watch on Halloween, because it's monsters involved. So yeah, this one was inspired. Um, well, yeah, this was um, made before Monsters Inc., and Monsters Inc. was inspired from this movie, so that's pretty cool. It's pretty much like similar story in a way. Only with that one, Monsters Inc., it's just about the monsters. This one is about, the kids and the monsters, basically. And yeah, just a great movie, great acting, great everything, great special effects. Still holds up today. Hopefully there's not going to be a remake, but we can't say that for sure, because who knows what they're going to do these days. But, yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you. Peace.